Welcome to our YouTube channel. Take a minute to let us know in the description what your favorite breakfast food is. Today we're making a warm, cozy breakfast. Caramelized Banana Steel-Cut Oats. Perfectly creamy oats topped with golden caramelized bananas. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. First, in a medium saucepan, bring 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk to a boil. Stir in 1 cup of steel-cut oats and a pinch of salt. Reduce heat to low and simmer, stirring occasionally, for 20-25 minutes until creamy. While the oats cook, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet. Add 2 sliced bananas, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cook on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and caramelized. Now, spoon the oats into a bowl, top with the caramelized bananas, and drizzle with extra syrup if you'd like. Add nuts or seeds for a crunch. And that's it. Caramelized Banana Steel-Cut Oats. A simple, delicious breakfast that feels indulgent but is full of wholesome goodness. Don't forget, the full recipe is in the description below, and if you like our channel, subscribe and share with a friend.